Welcome to the lab. Before we get started, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share lab content on your socials. We're diving into the exciting world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. We'll explain what they are and how they're being used in various areas like digital art, real estate, and real-world assets. Let's get started. So, what exactly is an NFT? Think of it as a unique digital certificate that proves ownership of a specific item or piece of content. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are identical and can be exchanged for one another, each NFT is one of a kind and can't be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Let's start with digital art. NFTs have become a huge trend in the art world. Artists can create and sell digital artwork as NFTs, which means each piece has a unique token associated with it. This token proves who owns the artwork and includes details about the artist and the piece itself. Buying an NFT art piece is like owning a digital collectible. Even though others might see the artwork online, the NFT owner has the official version, and this ownership is recorded on the blockchain, a secure digital ledger. Now, let's explore real estate. NFTs are also being used to represent ownership of real estate. Imagine buying a house or an apartment where the property ownership is recorded as an NFT. This can simplify the process of buying and selling property and make transactions faster and more transparent. The NFT can include all the details about the property, like its history and legal information. This can make it easier to prove ownership and transfer property rights without dealing with traditional paperwork. Another exciting application of NFTs is provenance. Provenance refers to the history of ownership of an item. With NFTs, you can track the origin and history of physical items, like collectibles or luxury goods. Each NFT serves as a digital record that verifies the authenticity and ownership of these items. This helps prevent fraud and ensures that buyers are getting genuine products with a verified history. Now, let's dive deeper into real-world assets, or RWAs. RWAs are tangible items like real estate, art, or even luxury goods that can be represented as NFTs. By converting these physical assets into digital tokens, we can streamline the way they're bought, sold, and managed. For instance, a piece of art or a piece of real estate can be tokenized into an NFT that represents ownership of the asset. This process can make transactions more efficient, reduce the need for intermediaries, and provide clear, immutable records of ownership on the blockchain. Tokenizing RWAs also allows for fractional ownership. This means that instead of buying an entire property or piece of art, multiple people can own a share of it. This opens up investment opportunities to a broader audience and can make high-value assets more accessible. To sum it up, NFTs are unique digital tokens that prove ownership of digital art, real estate, and real-world assets. They're revolutionizing how we handle ownership and transactions, making them faster, more secure, and more transparent. Thanks for joining us. We hope this gives you a clear understanding of NFTs and their many applications.